Having trouble with the "your iPhone cannot be backed up" error when trying to back up your iPhone to iCloud? Don't stress, I'm here to walk you through some simple fixes to get your backup back on track. Let's jump into the solutions without wasting any time. Before you start, make sure you have a stable connection. Solution 1. Turn on iCloud backup off and on. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap on iCloud. Now tap on iCloud backup. Then toggle off backup this phone. After that, tap on turn off. Next, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. Now turn on backup over mobile data. Finally, check to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Check your iCloud storage. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then tap on iCloud. After that, tap on Storage. Check if you have enough space for the backup. If you're running low, you can either upgrade your iCloud storage plan or delete some unnecessary files. Once you've freed up some space, try backing up again. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out and restart your device. After your device restarts, sign back into your Apple ID. Solution 5. Reset your network settings. Open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode. Then tap Reset Network Settings again. Finally, the issue should be resolved. So that's how you can fix the "your iPhone cannot be backed up" error. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or need more help, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.